In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chroma Key in CapCut. Chroma Key is an incredibly powerful tool that allows you to remove a specific background color from your video, most commonly green or blue, and replace it with any background you choose. Whether you're creating a cinematic scene, a fun project, or professional content, Chroma Key can help bring your vision to life. And the best part? CapCut makes it surprisingly simple. If you're new to CapCut or don't already have it set up, you can download it and get started using the link in the description. Now, let's dive in and create some magic with Chroma Key. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Once you're in, the first thing you'll want to do is import your main background. This could be a video or an image, depending on the look you're going for. Place it on the main timeline. This background serves as the foundation for your final scene, so it's important to get it set up first. Next, add your green screen clip as an overlay layer. If you're using the mobile version of CapCut, you can do this by tapping Overlay and adding your green screen footage. On desktop, simply place the green screen clip on the track above the background layer. Either way, the goal is to layer your green screen footage directly on top of your background. Now that your clips are in place, let's move on to activating the Chroma Key tool. Click on the green screen clip in your timeline to highlight it. This tells CapCut that you'll be editing this specific layer. To activate Chroma Key, the process will vary slightly depending on your device. On mobile, scroll through the bottom toolbar, tap Cut Off, and then select Chroma Key. On desktop, go to the Video tab in the Details panel on the right-hand side. From there, click on Cut Off and activate Chroma Key. Once you've done this, you're ready to start removing the green background. Here's where the magic happens. Use the Color Picker tool, which looks like a circle icon or an eyedropper, to select the green or blue part of your video in the preview window. This tells CapCut which color to remove. To get the best results, make sure you drag the color picker to the most representative part of the backdrop. This will ensure that the tool can accurately identify the color you want to erase. Once the color is selected, adjust the strength slider to remove the green background. Increasing the strength will erase more of the green, but be careful not to overdo it, as this can make your subject appear transparent around the edges. Take your time and experiment with the slider until you find the right balance. After adjusting the strength, fine-tune the edges of your subject using the shadow slider. This step is crucial for smoothing out any harsh outlines and making your subject look naturally integrated into the new background. Again, small adjustments are key here. If the outline looks too sharp or unnatural, gently tweak the slider until the edges blend seamlessly. Remember, you can always go back and make additional adjustments if needed. Once the green background has been successfully removed, it's time to refine the placement of your overlay clip. Resize or reposition your subject in the preview window to ensure it fits naturally within the scene. For example, if your background is a wide landscape, you might want to position your subject so they're not blocking key elements of the scenery. Take a moment to preview your work by hitting play. This is your chance to check for any rough edges or lingering green bits. If you notice anything that doesn't look quite right, don't worry, you can go back and fine-tune the strength and shadow sliders as needed. And now for the final step, saving your work. Once you're satisfied with the way everything looks, save or export your project. You've just created a polished video using Chroma Key in CapCut. So now you know exactly how to use Chroma Key in CapCut to replace backgrounds and create stunning visuals. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like to see in the future, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.